Namaste everyone. In this video we will talk about left and right formulas. Guys, you can see I have written a simple text here and I want to get 5 letters from left side here and 5 letters from right side here in this cell. Let's get started. Equal to left. Now the syntax is very simple guys. It needs only 2 arguments. One is text, this one, and the number of letters, 5, 6, whatever you want. Now execute. You got the 5 letters from left side. Similarly, repeat it for the right formula. Now this one, and then let us say 7. So we will get 7 letters from here. Now I hope the formula is very clear to you guys. Let us solve a simple problem. Now get all the characters before and after hashtag in the text below. You can see I have written some text values that contains hashtag in each one of them, but at different places guys. Now in this first case, we have 2 letters on left side and 4 on right side. Similarly, all have different situations. So to solve this problem guys, first of all, you can see we need to know the index of this hashtag in each one of them. That we could be doing it with the help of find formula, as we have done in previous videos. Now, I will type hashtag in double inverted commas and within text this one, 1. You can see 3. It is at third position here. Now drag it for others. You will get to know the indexes of other one. Now, we have to find the number of letters before hashtag. Be careful guys. Now look here. Before hashtag, it contains only 2 letters, and here in this case, it contains 5 letters. That means whatever is the index of hashtag here, -1 could be the number of letters on the left side to that of the hashtag. Now, that means we need to subtract 1 out of them, each of them in this formula, whatever we will be writing here. Now equal to left text, that means this one. Now number of characters. I have told you we need to subtract 1 from here. That means we need 2 here, we need 5 here, we need 3 here. How we could be doing it? We could be simply selecting this cell and subtracting 1 so that to make the formula dynamic. Now here you go guys, you got first 2 letters and similarly you got all the letters that are before hashtag. Now here in this case guys, you have to use some different kind of strategy. Let me explain you. Now you can see here in this, after this hashtag we have 4 of the alphabets, and here we have 3 characters, and here we have 2. So that means it keeps on changing, that do not have any direct relationship with these indices. So we could be doing something different. That means, now you can see guys, one thing, the length of this text will be 7. 1, 2, 3, you can count it with the help of length formula. It will be 7. I am writing it manually. Now out of 7, if I subtract this one, that means -3, then definitely I will get 4. Fine. Now if here in second case the length is something, I can say 9. Okay, 9. If out of this 9 I subtract this one, that is 6. So I will be getting answer 3. That means 3 characters on the right side. So I think you are understanding guys. Now let us do it in the formula. This was just to explain you how we are doing the things. Now type right formula, select this one, and now in number of characters, that means you need to subtract guys the length of this text minus the index of hashtag that is present here, like this. So every time you will be getting the required number of the characters which are present on the right side. Close the braces, execute. You can see guys the correct answer You can do it for others also. There you get your answer. Now I hope these formulas were very simple, and if you understood this table, guys, I hope you don't have any problem in solving this problem. I leave it for you. You can do the same process as we have done in the case of hashtag. These are decimal numbers. You need to extract the integer part and the decimal part separately. Okay. Get the indices of decimal in each case. Then repeat the same process for left and right formula. You will get your answer. I hope if you guys like the video, then do appreciate me by giving me thumbs up and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.